Good morning. Hey, how are you doing? What's going on today? Tell me how your day is. Is it sunny where you are or is it cloudy? Drop me an emoji. Tell me how you're doing. My name is Amber Hopkins. I am Punk Rock Earth Mother, coming to you live from the kitchen. Woohoo! Today we're going to do something a little different. Don't get scared. We're going to do some essential oils. We're going to make an inhaler. Have you ever used those? You know when you're a kid and they had those when I was a kid, 100 years ago, they had those Vicks inhalers. I loved those. They would help my head and my stuffiness so much. Hi Tamara, how are you doing, girl? Is it Tamara or Tamara? This is what I want to know. This is what I need to know. Anyway, essential oils. What you're going to need today is an inhaler. Now, they have organic inhalers at aromatics.com, and you can get different colors. So you could be the cool person with the purple. You could whip out your purple inhaler and be like, woohoo, I'm awesome. And they come with 3 little pieces. So cotton that goes inside and holds the oils, and a little stopper, and then the big inhaler piece. And then you're going to need a little cuppy and some tweezers. Hey Kelly, how you doing? Kelly makes fabulous, amazing donuts. You have got to check her out on Etsy. Sweet Spot Minis on Etsy. The best gluten-free vegan donuts you've ever had in your entire life. Do it. Check her out. Okay, so, and then today's recipe, I'm going to do tea tree, cedarwood, and lavender. Now, everybody's snotty around me. Everybody's mucusy. My kids are like, it's gross. I'm wiping noses constantly. It's the allergies, right? Hopefully. Not something weird they caught. So, this is a recipe for that. But you know what? Most recipes for allergies and colds and stuff are spicy aromatic ones, like the rosemary or eucalyptus. You know that from Vicks and stuff like that. So, yes, Kelly, put your link right there. So most recipes are going to be spicy. This one is really nice, sweet, calming blend, and it's got lavender, so it's flowery, and it's really nice. And it also it's for allergies, colds, and also for sleeping. You could put it by your bedside and use it for sleeping too. So I like things you can use for multiple purposes. This is one of them. Okay, so it's really simple, really simple recipe. You take your little cuppy, and you're going to put 5 drops each lavender into the little cuppy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa, it went a little far. It went crazy. Tea tree. 1, 2, 4, 5. Again, went a little crazy. That's fine. It'll work. And then 5 cedar woods. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't count. One more. 5, 6. Okay, that's fine. Then you throw your little core cotton wick in there. And yeah, spin it around in there. Get it all coated. Soak it up, baby. Soak it up. I'm going to use my tweezers so I don't touch it. I don't want the EOs all over my hand. Do you use essential oils already? Are you an EO user? Put a 1 for yes or a 2 for no. I love them. I've been studying them for 10 years. More than that, actually. I love them. I do use them a lot, quite a bit in my house. So, I'm going to take this wick that's all soaked up, and it's really simple. You just drop it in. If I could get it off the tweezer. There. Pop that right in there. Pop the end in. And then you've got an inhaler. I guess it has a little hole somewhere. I don't see it, though. Do you see it? I don't see it. But it smells really nice and calming. It's awesome. And also this little bowl, you can put this around your house. Now it's got essential oil in it. This will make a really nice diffuser for your house. It'll last for a couple of days, the smell. And it'll make my kitchen smell good too, which it needs right now because it smells like, cooking. So another, you could substitute instead of the tea tree, you could put orange in there. Orange also will help with your stuffiness and your allergies, but it will also be calming and more peaceful and help with sadness. Isn't that amazing? Essential oils are amazing little beasts. They are. I love them. So what do each of these do? They have multiple uses. Lavender is calming. Obviously, it can help with healing, burns, things like that. Tea tree is a dad. He's a really, really amazing little guy. Beast. I'm gonna call him a beast because he is a beast. You can defeat mold and staph and all kinds of crazy bacteria and viruses and fungus. He's good in the bathroom. Use him on your mildew. Shoot that stuff with tea tree. Okay. Cedarwood, super calming. Anxiety, stuff like that. Depression, good for cedarwood. Cedarwood is also good for your skin. So, have any questions? Are you watching live or are you watching the replay? I would love to chat with you guys. Please put that stuff in the comments. Join my group, Punk Rock Earth Mother. There's lots and lots of good essential oil recipes in there and stuff. So I will talk to you guys later. I think I got it all. Yes, 5 drops each into this aromatics.com. I'm not associated with it. Organic wicks, important. Okay? Talk to you later. Love you too. Bye.